Namaste.
Namaste.
My name is Ananda.
Hi Anand.
Yeah. What's your name? Yeah.
My name is Kasthuri.
Yeah. Can I ask some question, please?
Sure.
Okay. How long time? How long time would you like to stay here?
Okay, I'm here for 2 weeks. That's around like 14 days.
Yeah.
So I'm here to do the transformation of a school in
Yes.
Nawalparasi here.
Yes.
Yes.
Um, Tell me about your social work history.
Okay, I love doing volunteering back in Singapore. I'm from Singapore, so back in Singapore, I do lots of reading programs for the young ones and especially those who are of low income. And then what I do is that I take tuition at home and I use that money to actually buy teaching materials and buy school supplies and send it over to Nepal. That's how it actually started along with Gavin. So, and now I'm here volunteering in a transformation of a school. Yeah.
Why are you interested in this volunteer work?
Okay, why am I interested? Back in Singapore, we have a very good education system. I'm a teacher, so I teach the preschoolers, and it's so important to build their foundation. And in Singapore, we have a very good, strong education system. And when I actually connected with Gavin in LinkedIn and many more other educators in LinkedIn, I was actually connected to some global educators around the world, and I realized that not everyone around the world is as lucky as the children in Singapore. So since Singapore has a very good strong foundation and the government is always there to help the children with education, I thought of extending my help to the other places where they needed help. So Nepal was one of it, and since I got connected with Gavin, it was very nice to work with him, and since I have a good leader, I would love to do it.
And last question, please.
Yeah, sure.
What do you feel here? Everything is managed.
Oh, it's a beautiful place, Ananda. I love this place here. The villagers are great. The way they welcomed us on the first day here, we were so happy. We felt that they trusted us so much, and there was so much of faith in the way that they saw us. They know that we will transform this school, and I noticed that it's not just us volunteers. I feel that the whole community, the whole village actually helped out in everything that we do. Like now that we are painting, they're helping out from the start. When they started to clean up the rooms, and then food. They're all helping us to make food for us, and we are staying in the villagers' houses, and they are so accommodative. They make us food, they make us tea, they make sure that we are very comfortable. Every now and then they come and ask us how we are, is everything okay, do we need anything? So I feel like I'm at home. I feel so good, and I love the place, the house that I'm staying. The mom, she's so nice, and I'm enjoying myself here. I don't feel that I'm away from home for a while. Yeah, I'm here working, and it's so nice. The people of Nawalparasi are really great. Yeah, I love it. Thank you.